A very good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Now in this video we will learn about perfect continuous tense. In perfect continuous tense we will be learning the first part, that is the present perfect continuous tense. It refers to an action that started in the past and still going on in the present. In this, more importance is given to the duration of event that happened. Now, the structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have been or has been plus verb ing form plus object plus since or for. Now, for example, I have been playing football since 5 years. Now, since we are using when we know the starting point but we don't know the period. Yes, like since 5 years. तो अभी भी हम वो चीज़ कर रहे हैं, अभी हमने कंप्लीट नहीं की है. यस, एंड वी यूज़ फॉर व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग फॉर द कंप्लीट ड्यूरेशन, लाइक फॉर 2 hours, for 1 year, means within that 1 year that work was completed. Understood? Now in the timeline it looks like this. Event of playing started in the past is still valid in the present. You may have noticed that the same timeline was for present perfect tense also, but here we are giving more importance to the duration of the event. This you have to note down in your mind. Okay students, this thing is the main difference, that perfect continuous tenses we give more importance to the duration of time or the event. Now coming to the next one, that is past perfect continuous tense. It refers to an action that began in the past at a certain time and still going on until some other action occurred. Now here also more importance is given on the duration of the time of the event. Now we'll learn the structure. The structure is subject plus had been plus verb ing form plus object plus since or for. Now for example, I had been playing football for 1 hour before you arrived. Now in this example, for 1 hour is referring to the start of my event. Yes. Now in the timeline it looks pretty much like past continuous tense. But here we are giving more importance to the time of my playing. Yes. I hope students you all are clear with the difference. Now coming to the next, that is future perfect continuous tense. It refers to an action which will begin and still going until a point in future. Here also the duration of event is given more importance. The structure of future perfect continuous tenses, subject plus will have been or shall have been plus VING form, that is verb ing form plus object plus since or for. Now coming to the example, when I turn 30, I will have been playing for 20 years. In the timeline, it will be in right hand side. An event of playing will continue until another event of my turning to 30 year comes. Now eventually giving more importance to the duration of time. So in all the perfect continuous tenses, importance is given to the duration of event. Now students, I hope you all have understood the perfect continuous tense. We have completed all the parts of tenses, that is present, past, future. Under that we have completed all the subdivision, that is simple tenses, perfect tenses, continuous tenses and perfect continuous tenses. Now students, as you can see a table on the screen, this table you have to learn and you have to keep this in your mind, all the structure according to the division of the tenses. Hope you all have understood all the tenses very nicely. Thank you students. God bless you all.